So you can easily go ahead and change around the reading settings of your site in wordpress.com. So to do that, you need to go around under the settings section right here and then go around onto reading section right here. So over here, you can see that it says your home page displays something like default right here. You can also choose to display about if you want to, but it'll choose the default page if you select this out. You can also choose the default post page, which can be about or other pages that you may have. In my case, I only have 2 right now, so it's only showing 2. So for the blog pages, you can show, let's say, for example, 4 posts at most and control it out as well. For the related posts, you can see that it says show related contents after post. Like you can highlight a related content with a heading or show thumbnails of images where available right here for the related post, and show the publish date as well. And you can see an example over here as well, and show the post category or tag as well. So over here, if someone decides to actually subscribe to RSS feed, then you can show the more recent, like let's say for example, show 12 items in an RSS feed and so forth right here, and control that out as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So it says 4 posts, as you can see. So let's just go around onto this particular site, and you can see that I got 4 posts at most, but it has limited it to 3 right here. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4 right here. And if I were to go around onto the second block, it's 1, 2, and 3 right here, just like this. So it's 4 or less than that. And that is how you can go ahead and then change around the reading settings as you like inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.